If your PC takes forever just to reach the actual desktop, it's taking a lot of the time by clicking applications, whatever. Well, what we can do is to try to solve this in just a few steps. So the first thing I wanted to do is to check out common causes of the slow boot times and feature each other step by step. So what I'll go is to press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open my task manager. If you don't have access to it, let's go for the Windows tab, and I go for here the element that says Task Manager. And then I wanted to click to the Start Up Application tab, and here basically what I wanted to be doing here is to disable anything marked high or medium, which is going to be appearing here, this Startup Impact. Now the next step that I can be showing you is to go for Windows plus R, and inside here what I want to be doing here is to type Control Power CFG CPL. What's going to happen here is that choose what the power buttons do, and you can be choosing, for example, change settings that are currently unavailable, and make sure to turn on fast start up, for example. That usually appear directly inside here, right? Now, if you finish with this, we can free up some disk space. That usually this happens truly a lot. You don't have any idea. So go into the settings, look out for the element that says System. You want to go for storage, that you should see directly inside here, and check the categories you don't need, like the all Windows installation, the recycle bin contents. Removed all of those, and the system drive that's nearly full slows down startup significantly. I didn't know this, but I actually had less than 20 gigabytes free before this actual video, and as you can see, my computer has significantly worked a little bit much more. Not that faster, but it actually improved a little bit with all of these solutions. So the last thing that I can be showing you, for example, is to update your drivers and Windows. So if you go into the Windows update that you can be finding directly into your settings, you wanted to check out including all the actual pending, so we can actually hit into restart, so we can add all the actual security frameworks, all the updates that we needed to go ahead, and outdated storage graphic drivers are coming, so overlooked or causes are sluggish boot. So last thing, of course, that we can do, for example, is to look out directly into your Windows security, that usually we can find directly once again inside here. And basically what we can do is to go into the BIOS and the threat protection, for example, to make sure everything is actually working correctly. And in my case, actually everything looks good. So consider an SD upgrade, because if your PC is still running on a traditional hard drive, this generally the single biggest boost time improve available. So an SSD boot in seconds compared for a minute or more hard drives can actually take. So what we can do, for example, is to ask the artificial challenges which one can be a really great upgrade for the specific computer that you currently have, so you can get more improvement into your games, into the crashing, into the applications, into your daily tasks. So that's it, a noticeable fast boost every time you turn into your actual PC. If this guide helped you, or if you have an actual question or another solution that we can all agree inside your computer, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me know in the comments once again. Subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. Hopefully we can see you next time.